particular patient had a wide nose with wide ella. He wanted to get it done for a long time, but because of financial issues and the cost of the procedure, he waited for 2 to 3 years, collected that money for the surgery, and got it done today. You can see his nose from all the angles. Once the swelling settles down, it will look a lot better than what it is at the moment. So what we did, he had a deviated septum. We straightened out the septum and we made a sharper tip and narrowed down the ella, what you can see on table. If you see before the surgery, his nose was deviated towards his left, and if you see on table, it has been straightened out, and the curvature that was there has been changed and made more streamlined as compared to what it was before. He had undergone septoplasty before that leads to destruction of his septum that we recreated in this procedure, and that the nose looks too wide for his face. He wanted something that suited his face. Again, we told him that for first 4 to 5 months, don't get scared looking at your face in the mirror, which a lot of people do. Even though I say this in every video that it takes minimum 4 to 5 months to get adjusted to the new look, but then also people get very impatient. The moment the cast is removed, they want the result right there, right then, which is not possible because it is human body. If there's a slight trauma, it will react by getting swollen. And once there is swelling is never symmetrical on right or left side. And once there is swelling, you might feel that the nose looks slightly deviated right or left, but it is just the initial period. Once the nose is healing, once it's healed, that is close to 1 year, the nose looks perfect and one does not have to worry. Sometimes it may take more than a year, because sometimes people say, you say year, and when we come after a year, you say a little longer. Why so? Because every person healing is different. There are patients in our past, those who have said, I got results only after 2 years. So you should be happy that everyone will get result. It depends on their healing time, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, or more than that. The nose will eventually heal to have a perfect shape. So it's a request, don't be impatient, just let the nose heal on its own and get your results and enjoy your life.
मैं मुंबई से आया हूँ और मुझे डॉक्टर मोनिशा कपूर के बारे में यूट्यूब से और इंस्टाग्राम से पता चला, और मेरे डाइल्यूटेड था मेरा सेप्टम और मेरी नोज बहुत ही वाइड और मोटी थी। तो मुझे यहाँ पे राइनोसेप्टोप्लास्टी मैम ने बोला, वो मैम ने किया मेरी सर्जरी और मेरा बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है। और जो यहाँ पे मैम का स्टाफ है और भी जो डॉक्टर्स हैं और जो नर्सेज हैं और जितना भी स्टाफ है, सब बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही हेल्पफुल हैं, बहुत ही केयरिंग हैं। मुझे इधर कोई भी परेशानी नहीं आई। डॉक्टर मोनिशा कपूर, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, बहुत ही अच्छी सर्जन है। अगर आपको आपके नोज़ में कोई भी दिक्कत है, अगर आपको आपकी नोज़ पसंद नहीं है, वाइड है, या फिर आपका जैसे मेरा सेप्टम डेविएटेड था, आपको ब्रीथिंग में कोई इशू है, या फिर आपको वैसे एस्थेटिक अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो प्लीज़ आप इधर ज़रूर आइए। डॉक्टर मोनिशा कपूर बहुत ही अच्छी सर्जन है। आपका ब्रीथिंग इशू भी सही हो जाएगा और जो आपकी एस्थेटिक इशू है वो भी एकदम अच्छा हो जाएगा। बिल्कुल आपको किधर और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। सबसे बेस्ट है मोनिशा कपूर मैम। इन द एंड मैं ये डॉक्टर मोनिशा कपूर और उनकी पूरी टीम को, स्टाफ को थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ, उन्होंने मेरी इतनी हेल्प की।
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.